What's up guys, Stixx Picks here, back with the video, and today we are at the flea market trying to find some good stuff. Let's get right into it.
Alright.
What you getting over here, Dad?
No, thank you. You want a donut, Michael?
What are you eating?
I'm getting a coffee. Would you like a donut?
Do they have hot chocolate?
Do you have hot chocolate? They do. They have kids' hot chocolate, Michael.
Why did they say kids hot chocolate?
Because you're a kid.
Make it easy, it might be hot. So
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
I think I've walked about half of the flea market so far, and it seems to be almost about the same as like other flea markets that I've been to. A lot of flea markets are pretty they're similar. Some people sell the same stuff they already have and try to just keep selling it and selling it and selling it. You know, there's always those type of people. We're looking for the storage unit people, of course. Hey, some people that sell Pokemon over and over again, I'll buy some stuff from them. Or Funko Pops, as you guys know. I love myself some Dragon Ball Funko Pops, or really anything Dragon Ball. How much for the Monopoly?
That one's 20.
All right.
Let me show it to you. It's all in there. Everything's...
Yeah, I opened it. I saw
Oh,
it.
did you see?
How much you asked on your paddle?
These are 10. Give me 20 for the game and I'll let you have that one for 5. It's brand new.
All right.
Probably sells for about 30 bucks, I would imagine. The Star Trek one.
Yeah.
Maybe a little more.
These are cool.
Yeah, these are neat.
Yeah, those are pretty
they're
cool.
fun. If you're familiar with the cities.
Yeah, Oakland,
they're a
stuff
ton.
like that. Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, I know a lot about San Francisco, so I enjoy that one.
How much you asking on the projectors?
You know,
All right, that guy also got some of our product, but as I was saying, that wasn't too bad of a deal, I guess, because the board did sell for more than 20 bucks, but that was sealed. Wasn't much room to make money on, so I wasn't really too interested. But those projectors I just looked at was like our stuff, kind of like one of our products we have for Christmas stuff. So that guy may have a whole storage unit like us too, because those little lights he also had, there's like a little mirror with some lights on it that he was setting up too. Those were randomly in the storage unit, so he may also have one of his own Christmas light storage units that he bought.
They have somebody close. Yeah, we got the small nurse.
How much on these Pokemon VHSs?
Level, yeah.
where did you put? Para las Maruchan.
How much on the remote?
Huh? Bye.
How much for all three of them?
A ver, dale el precio. Ah, ya.
Oh.
$5 each.
You do 12 for all three?
Yeah, that's fine.
Thank you.
You want to buy?
Yeah, I'll take one.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. All right, we got a bag now too. Sweet. Makes it a lot easier. I never really asked for a bag. I probably should, honestly. Make my walking around 10 times easier.
$5?
I think it's new in box. Oh, never mind. Let's go. Good thing I noticed that. Those things are cut right there. Doesn't even work. Pretty sure. Dang, that would have been a good buy. Say these things sell for upwards of $200 online. That's unfortunate. Wires are cut off though completely. Doesn't even work. We got 3 NES controllers for $12 combined. That's not too bad. And I think they sell for around 15 to 20 bucks each, so that's not too bad. Not too bad. How much you asking on like a Game Boy?
The Game Boy?
Yeah.
120.
For
you, 100.
Yeah, but the fives.
It's worth. He's had the game.
Like I said,
You guys got any packs to open or not?
I have the Charizard.
It's a
I'm
bit
doing
much.
160 for that.
All right, that's a cool stall. That's more of a stall if you're into collecting Pokemon and stuff. Like he was already about to pretty much look up the card the guy was asking the price on, see the highest price for it, so you can maybe give him a slight deal. But he wants to get retail of it pretty much because he knows what he's selling. He probably got those cards graded personally. I want to get some roasted corn out here. They got some corn. It's like roasted or whatever. You can put some hot Cheetos on it. I think that's what I got last time. I haven't been here in a while, but last time I got some hot Cheeto corn. That was so good. How much you asking on the figure?
That one, 45.
How much?
45.
All right.
Bigger.
Dang, look at the new artwork for the Darkness Ablaze pack. it looks like it's resealed. Unfortunate, more fake packs. How much for the binder?
And $2 each, the whole label 55. You wanna buy all of them 55.
I know nothing about clothes, but this is new tags for $1. Can't really do bad on that, right? Brand new Adidas pants for $1 with tags, so like I might as well, right? Might as well. Just give it a try. Look like some quality clothing here, guys. Surprised not a bunch of people hoarding on these clothes. I'm confused. It's $1 each. Thank you.
You want a bag?
I should be good. Thank you.
$1. $1.
Got a brand new pair of pants. Let's pay $1 for it just because. Brand new with tags. Couldn't be a bad sale, right? Those are some Uggs, or not Uggs. They were Uggs over there too. They're beat up, but that was a Coach purse, you guys. First, you guys gotta let me know if that was real and genuinely worth getting. Like, is that worth getting for $1? I mean, it's $1, so I guess I couldn't really beat that sale either. But oh, sorry.
$1.
Alright, we bought a Pokemon pack, a Silver Tempest. I don't know what it is about this pack, but it feels, I wouldn't say fake, but like off. I don't know, it's maybe resealed. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I shouldn't have bought that. It's fine though, you guys. It fell off as soon as I picked it up almost. I don't think it's fake, but that definitely feels resealed. Saw some kids with some Pokemon cards, so I just gave them to them. And that's the end of the video. If you've watched this far, you've watched the whole thing. I appreciate you for making it this far. Put a peace emoji in the comments you made it this far, and peace out.